Topic: Differential Calculus. In differential calculus, we study about the changes in vertical axis over changes in horizontal axis, popularly known as the slope or gradient, or change in y over change in x, which is called dy over dx. The general form of differentiation is y equal to h to the power n, then dy over dx will be nx n raised to the power 1 minus 1. The product rule. The product rule is derived as follows. dy over dx equals u dv over dx plus v du over dx. The chain rule is denoted as dy over dx equals du over dx times dy over du. Questions. Number 1. If y is equal to 2x to the power minus 4 plus 3x plus 2, find dy over dx at point 1 and comma 4. Solution. When we differentiate the question given, we have minus 8x to the power minus 5 plus 3. Then our x equal to 1, our answer equals minus 5. Number 2. If y is equal to open bracket 2x squared plus 1 close and 3x minus 4 close, find dy over dx at x equal to 1. Solution. Since it's product, we have u dv over dx plus v du over dx. That is u times 3 plus v times change in the u rather. So, okay, that is 2x squared plus 1 times 3 plus 3x minus 4 times 4x. We simplify, we have 18x squared minus 16x plus 1. At x equal to 1, dy over dx becomes 18 bracket 1 squared minus 16 bracket 1 plus 3 equals 5. Number 3. If y equals open bracket 2x squared plus 4x minus 1 equals 5, find dy over dx. Since the power is above 2, we use the product rule. So, dy over dx equals 5 open bracket 2x squared plus 4x minus 1 raised to the power 4 open bracket 4x plus 4. We simplify, we have open bracket 20x plus 20 open 2x squared plus 4x minus 1 raised to the power 4. Number 4. If y equals open bracket 3x plus 1 close, open again, x minus 3 close, find dy over dx. Since it's still product, we have u dv over dx plus v du over dx. That is 3x plus 4 to the power 4 times 2x plus x to the power 2 minus 3 times 4 open bracket 3x plus 1 to the power 3 times 3. When we simplify and factorize, our answer becomes open bracket 3x plus 1 to the power 3 open 18x squared plus 2x minus 36. Differentiation of trigonometric functions. In trigonometric functions, sin theta is equal to cos theta. Cos theta is equal to minus sin theta. And tan theta is equal to sec squared theta. Question. If y is equal to x cos open bracket 2x plus 1, find dy over dx. Solution. Let u equal to 2x plus 1. dy over dx becomes x times 2 bracket minus sine open bracket 2x plus 1 plus cos u times 1. When we simplify, our answer becomes cos 2x plus 1 minus 2x sine 2x plus 1. Close the bracket. Number 2. If y is equal to 4x sine x, find dy over dx. Solution. 4x times 1 cos x plus sine x times 4. That is 4x cos x plus 4 sine x. That brings us